Daniel's asked another question. He's a keen scientist. So what careers can we pursue if we're interested in genetics and evolution? How would you encourage young people to get into the field? Who wants to take that one?
I could do that again. I do this all the time. So I train graduate students, but you don't have to be a classically trained scientist to do science, right? So as Christy and others were mentioning about doing work now, at your current state and working with local people that may have, the next step in what you want to do. So find what you're interested in, find who does those interesting things as a career, and talk to them and work with them and see if you like it. And so there's plenty of work for geneticists, evolutionary biologists. Maybe that's a little bit more of a defined group within that, but there are thousands of jobs, and you just find the one that interests you, because that's more important than perhaps how much money is being made in that career. But I'll let Rosetta and others discuss.
Yeah, no, I definitely agree. You need to find kind of the area that interests you and find the people that do it and get in contact. I mean, today it's so much easier to reach out to scientists and ask questions via social media or any of these kind of different platforms. So yeah, find something you're interested in and find who does it and reach out to them. And yeah, always go for what you enjoy. I mean, I am a traditional taxonomist by training, so my background is very much in looking down a microscope, but then I decided to study a bit of molecular ecology for a PhD and have gone around the houses to get to where I am. So yeah, just go with what you like and see where it takes you.
Great, thank you. Sahid, can you hear us okay? Are you back with us?
Yes, I think very important my network, but I'm busy in this in this very career to migrate from one. My own background was actually agronomy, which is more or less like agriculture, and I transferred to environmental biology, studied genetics again, and I transferred to plant molecular biology, studied DNA again. So DNA agriculture, DNA environmental biology, DNA botany, DNA molecular biology. So it is somehow easy to migrate when you are actually easy for you to fit and relevant in all the fields available in science. Yeah.
Great. So I think the advice there, Daniel, is find something you're interested in, see how you can pursue it. And I think for all of us as sort of career scientists, you don't necessarily follow the path you think you're going to follow. The more you research, the more you get interested, the more you discover new ways that you can explore the subjects that you're interested in. So thank you for that advice there, everyone. Okay, on. Student of ours, Anvishika, who's from India and is joining us. With the help of artificial intelligence, can we reconnect with extinct species that we can then perhaps bring back to our ecosystems? Any thoughts on this one? That's a great question, Anvishika.
Anvishika, I guess I'd say, the artificial intelligence is as good as the algorithms that you give it, and we're still sort of far from having the right algorithms and to feed in to say, like, these are the species that are missing from our current understanding of biodiversity. So we still need people to actually be out there, and sampling for eDNA or looking for species. So before I hand it over to the machines, I want more people to be out there with boots on the ground, I would say.
Thanks, Prasanta. Rosetta, have you got any thoughts on that?
That's a toughie. I would, it's, I don't think we're there. No, I don't think we're quite able to use artificial intelligence in that way yet. And I think it's a fair way off right now. But
maybe in the future.
I think if we can flow with what the AI technology is all about. It is what you know that you can mimic. It is what you can mimic that you can recreate. If those extinct species were able to understand how their behavior, how their character, how their morphology, how their taxonomy, or how their lifestyle is, then we can actually use the artificial intelligence to recreate them. But something that we don't know, it is difficult to actually recreate it.
Yeah, so it's all about having that great knowledge base first. Okay, next question from Jay.